What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about how to get more images under your book listing over on Amazon. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, getting more images under your book, what do I mean by that? Well, I mean just here. So if we click on this is a planner. They have a couple more images just here. So how do we do that with our books through Amazon KDP? Well, the short answer to that is we can't. So it's a shame, but we can't actually do this if we're publishing books through Amazon KDP. Now, the only way I now know of, which I've recently learnt about, the only way that I now know of to actually do that, to get these images, is by using a third-party print-on-demand platform for your books. So I can't actually think of one of the names at the minute. I was looking at one the other day, but you have to use a third party and then sell your books through an Amazon Seller Central account. So that's the only way that you can do it. I hope in the future that it changes and Amazon allows us to do this. That would be great. So if Amazon, if you're listening, then please try and add a feature like this for just people selling through KDP, because that would be absolutely awesome. But if you want to go and do this yourself, you're not going to be publishing through KDP and you will have to have that Seller Central account. So it's a real pain in the arse. I really wish it wasn't like this, because there's quite a lot of my books now where I wish I could do this, but unfortunately we can't. And me personally, I would just rather focus on selling through KDP than getting a Seller Central account, because it's so much easier doing it that way. Well, for me anyway, and I like getting those royalties at the end of the month. So it's a bit of a mix-up between, do you just want to do it through KDP, or do you want to open a Seller Central account? So it's entirely up to you how you do that. I'm guessing if you're watching this, you just want to stick to KDP because it's nice, easy and simple, and just get those royalties at the end of every month. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.